Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to go through each of our packets and just talk about what you have here in front of you, because this is a lot of work, but we expect you to do this over the next 2 weeks. You can't see me, but you can hear me, and the reason for that is so that we can talk about some of these pages together and you can be on the same page as me. So the first thing that you have is NTI Day 11, and that's going to be today's packet, Monday, April 6th. So I'm going to set that aside for right now. So then you've got Day 12 and all the way through Day 20. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to set days 12 through 20 to the side, because you're not going to need them right now. And then that leaves you with all of this stuff, okay? So right here, this is the NTI optional packet. So we just put a couple of things in there that we thought that you might want to do, that you might enjoy doing, but this does not have to be turned back in, and it's not going to be a grade for you. So that's why it's optional if you want to do it. So the first thing that you have here is an art lesson that was shared by Miss Midkiff, who is one of our art teachers here. So this is sort of like the guide for it, and then you have pictures of what it should look like when you're finished. Okay? The next thing that you have is a DARE word search that Officer Yance gave to us, because we still do have to finish DARE, and we're going to talk about that too. And then you have some logic puzzles, which are sort of like brain teasers, and we're going to go through one of these to do together, and then I'm going to do like a contest with the other two. And the contest winner, I will mail something to your house. And again, I can't see you and I miss you so much. So I want you to go ahead and set this one to the side because we don't need it right now. Okay, then you have a couple of DARE pages, and these are taken straight from your workbooks. I didn't want to go through all of your desks and drag everything out. So we just made copies of the pages that you're going to need. Officer Yance has also recorded some videos for you so that you can finish DARE. And then I'll get back to you on your essay, and if anything needs to be added to that. I'm going to try to turn them in as they are, because it would be difficult for me to get them to all of you. So we're going to see what we can do with that. So go ahead and set this to the side also. Okay, so then we have 2 social studies chapters. And I realize that you don't have your notebook, but that's okay, because everything that you're going to need for your notebook, or that you would need, is right here. Okay, so we're going to do these a week per chapter. So this week we're going to do the Bill of Rights, which is chapter 15. And that means that chapter 16, we're going to set it to the side. We don't need it right now. Okay, so chapter 15, you've got your chapter to start with, and then you have some notes, and we're going to go through these notes together. I do expect you to read the chapter on your own. I'm not going to read that aloud to you, but we'll talk about certain parts of the chapter as we fill in the notes in some different videos. Okay, so then at the very back, you have a test that goes with the chapter. This is going to have to be turned in. This is going to be a grade for you. And as usual, you can use the chapter on the test. So the front and back of that is going to go with this chapter. Okay? All right, so that is all of your NTI work for weeks 3 and 4. I told you a little bit about each of those. So I'm going to end this video, and then the next video that I upload is going to be working through day 11 and just kind of giving you some help on that and some guidance on that. Love you. Bye.